This is the Frankia T7400GD. It costs 175,000 euros, and I am going to show it to you really quickly. Mercedes-based motorhome in the 7-meter class with a double floor and storage in the floor, which is not visible because there's a carpet now down to protect the floor. Large German layout here at the back, and under we have this excellent storage system. Got steps going up here which will come out, and a large shower unit as well. On the other side from the shower there is a toilet, and you can with Alde heating. And that's Alde heating throughout. So when those days when the heating's not on, you might want the air conditioning. Kitchen, 2 burners, and a very large sink with a second unit there for your kitchen rubbish. Storage under the sink, large fridge, oven, and here seating group around a table, and the table will expand by that much there. Panoramic windows which really sort of add to the light coming in. As you can see, semi-integrated van, how the body has been joined onto the cabin. At the back we have here this enormous garage, and look at all the storage you could get in there. I think it'll take 450 kilos of weight, and more storage here from this side as well. Now, it's a very expensive motorhome, but as you can see, it's a very well equipped one, and it has a lot of possibilities. So that's the Frankia T7400GD in under 3 minutes. If you want a more detailed video of it, there'll be a link below. I have done one, and thanks for watching.